Today we want to show you a super easy tutorial on how to create ruffle flowers from fabric scraps as we use them in our 10-9 fleur hip skirt. Cut rectangular strips of 3.5 centimeters width and approximately 80 centimeters length. Use pinking shears for cutting. Sew along the middle with a long straight stitch of your machine. Don't secure the ends. Pull the threads and create ruffles along the fabric. It works best if you use very thin materials and fabric scraps because it will create finer ruffles. Place them on your fabric and sew them in a circular motion. Repeat as often as you want. You can embellish them with sequins or leave them as they are. We used them to cover holes in this beautiful black sweater or covered the whole front of our hip pencil skirt. For the skirt, we used around 50 strips. The possibilities are endless. Use only one color or create a field of colorful flowers.